Hello traders, today I'm going to introduce you my new indicator, true order blocks, and I'm going to show you how you're gonna use and every inputs in that section. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, drag and drop or insert the indicators, double click, true order blocks. Okay, so you can use almost default settings, and let's go to the support and resistance settings, and price action just make it false for now. I will explain you later. And click OK. So as you can see, like two support zones or two order block already showing in here. Okay, and beside that you can see the candles color, different color inside the candles. This is imbalance color. Okay, this is totally imbalance color, and you guys can change this color for bullish and bearish. Right now by default, blue color for bullish market, a bullish candle, and red color for bearish candle. Okay, so yeah, so right now as you can see, like there is a two order block we can see. And guys, I wanna say one thing, like always use multi time frame analyze. Always it helps you to understand where you place your order. Okay, so let's go to the one day chart, and here you can see like two order blocks or two zones, support or resistance, whatever you say, and it's highly chance that market drop from this zone, and I expect it to fill this gap or liquidity. Okay, and here you can see breakup structure. As you can see, the mark the blue lines, breakup structure. Guys, you guys can change any color zones, any breakup structure. You guys change the color easily. Okay, so right now I can see that market is uptrend. Okay, but it's research or reached the resistance area, so which highly chance that market or price dropped from the zone. Okay, so now go to the H4 time frame. So and here you can see like two zones again on H4, and in here you can see two lines. That's the daily candle high and low. As you can see up D1 and D1, that means it's daily candle high and low area. Then let's move to the 1 hour chart. So in here we can see that breakup structure in here, and also showing that impulse move. There's the impulse move. Okay, and if I go to the more zones, and here I can clearly see that highly chance market pull back in here and somehow like drop in that zone. Okay, listen guys, so I didn't add like buy signal or sell signal, so it's totally if you follow such kind of signal, you are not going to be a good trader. Trust me, you are not going to be a good trader. I just make this indicator to understand the market movement, or try to understand the imbalance. Like you can see the imbalance move for bearish candle which filled in here. Okay, and now again it's highly chance to drop price from this place. Okay, So it's basically you have to analyze your own way, that how you gonna uh, place your order. Okay, and I didn't add any text at this point because I always like to trade with blank chart, so I can clearly see the market movement or market structure. Okay, so let's go to the input section right now. Two order blocks. Okay, and right now you can see the bar count 200. That means 200 candles, last 200 candle analyzed. That's the current price action. But if you want to see more zones or previous zones, you can increase the number like 300, and you can see the previous zones. But we are only interested in price action or current market, so that's why we are going to use 200. Yeah, good. Okay, now go to the indicator list again, two order block, and if you want to see more zones and more breakup structure, then you can simply 12, 1 and 2, and you can clearly see more breakup structure, and it's create one more zones. As you can see, it's create one more zones. The blue line, basically the blue lines, the blue line trying to say like it's a breakup structure or change of character. Okay. All right, but I prefer to use like, yeah, so I can see the zones where most probably price might be drop, less zones. Yeah. Okay, so now you guys understand what is 200 and how to increase your zones. Okay, now go to the high-low period. Like, I am a day trader, so I prefer to check daily high and low, so I can make my decision where the market is going or moving. But if you are a scalper, then you can use H4 time frame or H1 or or 30-minute time frame. So when you make it true, you can see the H4 or H1 high and low. Let me show you. H1, make it true, and color is red. Close. Now you can see, if I go to the lower time frame, you can see like this is the H1 up or high, or this is the low. Okay, so yeah, go to the indicator list and make it false because let's change the color, make it red. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So this is a daily high and daily low. Okay. Next, go to the indicator, two order blocks. Now this is high-low settings, and this is support and resistance settings, and you can change the color. Okay, it's up to you, but I like to keep the same. Okay, now there is the one option, price action zones. Okay, and it's I make it false at the beginning. Right now you can see we have only two zones, right? We have only two zones. What happened and what's going to happen if we make it true? Let's see, price action zones, make it true. and okay. Okay, so watch carefully, guys. So when I make it true price action zones, so I can see one more zones in here, because the market reverses from this level, and this zone might be repaint because the price is moving from here, so it might be repaint. It's repaint because it's the current market, or the price is here, and it's trying to say like, you guys mark this zone, or watch this zone carefully. Like if you see anything like any pin bar or engulfing, then you guys go with trade. Or yeah, the price action zones basically create the recent zone. Okay, but I like to use like these zones which are really really cool. Like I wanted to buy if the price drops in here, in that place, right? If price drops in here, I definitely going to buy this. So hope you guys understand. Okay, let's make it false. Price action zones. It's up to you guys how you gonna use. Then the next input POS and change of character settings, and it's true, and a bullish line color and bearish line color is blue. You can change the color as you want. So basically break of a structure and change of character. So most of them think that change of character basically changing the trend, or changing might be market is changed, but I really focused on break of a structure. Okay, is I don't care like it's market is trending, or I really like to focus on break up a structure. That's all it is. Okay, next imbalance. You guys and if you guys are not familiar with breakup structure or change of character or imbalance, then you guys please, I highly recommend you do search on YouTube how does it works, and you guys get back to the settings again. So imbalance setting I prefer to true, and for bullish I make it blue, and bearish I make it red. And trend line settings, okay, so let's make it true so we can see what's going to happen. Okay, we can see there is a trend line for bearish, and there's the green is bullish. Yeah, that's our bearish. So we can what we can do, if the trend line breaks and pull back, then we can go for long, go for short. Okay, and yes, don't trade blindly, guys. Always do multiple time frame analyze. Okay, yes, this trend line. Next, projection lines. So what does mean? Let me show you. Okay, so as you can guys see, there is the lines. That means price. You guys can't take profit from, if you sell in here, then you guys can take profit in here. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, then look, this is the coolest thing. The price might be drop in here, the bearish line in here, and if price not drop or go back from this here, and there is the bullish, you can aim, or you guys can target in here. This is for long position target, and this is the short position targeting area. So basically projections gives you an idea where you can target. But I highly recommend you to believe or focus on liquidity or zones. That's the most important part to manage your risk reward. Okay, it just gives an idea. Like if I go to the 5 minute, you can see very simple thing. Like, and if you guys face any error, or if you guys have any question, please feel free to send me a message. I will try to respond you as soon as possible. And this is for all basically the alert settings, like high and low. What is going to do, like if the day one high is broken, it gives you alert. Also you can set the email notifications. And support and resistance alerts, this is the when market or price going to enter the support or resistance zones, is going to give you an alert. Also if the support and resistance going to break, it also going to give you an alert. Same for the break of a structure. If any break of a structure is break, then it also going to gives you an alert. Trend line, same things. If trend line is broken, then it gives you an alert, right? So that's it. Very simple and very user friendly input. Just let me know if you guys have any more questions. Okay, I will try my best to help you out. Thank you guys, and happy trading. Bye bye.